Gold has been very weak recently, and many people are wondering where the next bottom is going to be. In this video, I'm going to show you our latest analysis on where gold should find its next major low and exactly how we plan to trade it. I'll also share the results of our recent trades so you can see how well they've been working out. Let's dive in. Okay, here it is, the gold chart over the last year. It is critically important that you follow the trends that actually are forming in the market. So this is the trend that was forming out of the October low from last year. And I made a video 3 months ago. You can go into the archives right here on YouTube. You can see this video. It's still up there. I made a video in which in April I pointed out that this market had broken the trend from last October. And that when it got back up to this trend around 4,800, the message of the market was that gold was not going to be able to recover this trend. Again, the video is still up there. You can watch it for free. Sure enough, gold did not recover the trend. It rolled over, and we have made new lows here in gold over just the last couple of weeks. Okay, let's clear the chart, keep things nice and simple. Now we start to follow the trends that have formed since that break in March. And we notice these two trends, okay? And we are simply observing where are the sellers exiting the gold market and where are the buyers buying in the gold market. And we can see that there is a slightly different slope between where the sellers are exiting and where the buyers are coming in. Can you see that? Let me shade it right here so it's very clear. Now, this pattern where the sellers are exiting at a slightly more aggressive slope than the buyers, this pattern has a name to it, and it is called a falling wedge. Now, what does a falling wedge imply for the markets? If you're finding this helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. Also, follow me for free on X at iGlobalGold for daily updates. Let me pull up the textbook definition of a falling wedge, and you can see it right here. You can see the pattern. This is called a reversal pattern. It's where there's two converging trend lines, tightening price action, but the key is that the slope of the sellers is more aggressive than the slope of the buyers. And most of the time, this pattern, as you can see from the textbook example here, most of the time, this pattern represents a bottom. And so after the trend break a few months ago, now gold is forming a bottoming pattern. And what I would expect to happen here for gold over the course of the next 4 to 6 weeks is for gold to make one, perhaps two more nominal new lows, just a little bit below this bottom that was set a few weeks ago. I wouldn't be surprised to see gold trade slightly below the 4,000 figure, kind of get a lot of people very nervous, very worried, okay? And then the message of this pattern where the buyers are relatively more solid in their buying pressure than the sellers, the message here is that this pattern should resolve upward. And after an upward break of this pattern, I would expect a retest of the pattern, following which we should see the next impulsive move higher in the gold price. Now, the interesting thing about these falling wedge patterns is that there is no direct way to calculate a target for this pattern. So what we have to do is we have to look back into the recent history and notice where were the last major highs to be set by gold. And in this case, it was right around 4,900. So for the move that is coming here, not quite yet, but it's coming within the next 4 to 6 weeks, I expect gold to get into the vicinity around 4,900, perhaps even touch 5,000. And then we are going to have a big question mark. Now, as a technical analyst, what I do is I like to take the market in chunks. So this is as far as I can project the gold price over the near term. If we were to zoom out the charts into the 50-year perspective, we could talk about a lot of other important support levels. But for the short run, this is as far as I can project the gold market out. After that point, I have to be open to gold continuing higher, let's say to challenge the all-time highs at 5,600, maybe even start to make new highs. But I also, after this next major swing higher, I have to be open to gold possibly backing off again and forming another interim top, okay? So what I am going to focus on here is this move that is coming up over the course of the next 3 to 6 months. I'm going to focus on this move. And remember, I already own a core of physical bars and coins for gold. So what I'm going to do on this move is actually trade it. I'm going to trade this move the way that we've been trading a lot of these other moves in gold, silver, and the miners. And I just want to show you the results of our trading here, which is separate from the physical metal. You can see very clearly that we've had, over the last 4 years, a 77% win rate with an average gain of over 91%. And the loss is only half of that. So we're doing really well. And what we do is these very highly leveraged calls and put options. Calls when I think the market is going to go higher. And so what we're going to be doing here is trading that specific move coming up over the next few months using options contracts. Now, if you're a physical gold buyer, you want to be looking to buy some physical gold here into these lows coming, I expect, over the next 1 to 2 months. But if you want to try to double your money on this move, let's call this a 20% move, because I think gold is going to go from about 4,000 back up close to 5,000 later this fall. That's where you would have to do it using options. So that is what I am going to be doing with my own money. This is how I see the gold chart moving over the next 3 to 6 months for this next very important low. So that's what's coming for gold. If you don't know how to do these types of trades on your own, you have to be extremely careful, because these trades can go to zero if you don't time them right, or if you don't use the right contract or the right strike price or the right duration for the contract. You have to be very careful. So if you would like to join us and receive the exact moment that we are doing this trade, the service for you is called Precious Metals Intelligence Plus. Our members receive flash updates the moment that we execute these trades. And again, this is a trade that I am planning here for over the next 1 to 2 months. I don't do trading that frequently, but when I see a major pattern like this set up, that's where I get ready for the trade ahead of time and I execute it. Our members receive that the moment that we execute. If you're a higher net worth investor, our service called Elite Private Placements allows you to get nearly twice as much upside on select gold and silver companies, because we negotiate directly with the companies for even better terms, and we get free warrants on every single investment that we are making. If you would like to sit down and discuss your situation or your portfolio, I also offer private consultations. So if you're a serious precious metals investor who would like to take your investing or trading career to the next level, I would love to have you as a member. Head over to igoldadvisor.com to learn about which service might be right for you. Thank you for watching. Get ready for this next low setting up in gold over the next 1 to 2 months. It should scare a lot of people right before the low.